Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna discuss how to fix something went wrong with my AI on Snapchat, which means if you were using my AI on Snapchat and you got the error as something went wrong with my AI on Snapchat, then how you can fix that? First of all, what you have to do, you have to simply close all the apps on your device on loading, and after that what you have to do, you have to simply press and hold your Snapchat, and after that you have to simply do the force stop of to your app. After doing this, what you have to do, you have to simply click on storage, and after that you have to clear the cache. After clearing the cache, what you have to do, you have to simply check whether the problem has solved or not. If the problem is still there, you can also go to clear storage and you can check the problem solved or not. If the problem is still there, what you have to do, you have to simply open the Play Store, and in Play Store what you have to do, you have to simply search for Snapchat and you have to check whether it is showing any kind of updates or not. If it is showing updates, then you have to simply update your Snapchat, because many bugs and errors are fixed by the updated version of the Snapchat. If the problem is still there, then you have to wait for some time so that Snapchat gets a new update where this problem can be fixed. Hope you have liked this video. Kindly subscribe our channel.